Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. If you've been following our channel, you already know about the exciting world of Pi Network. In our previous video, we dove deep into what Pi is and how it's revolutionizing the cryptocurrency space. If you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check it out to get the full picture before we dive into today's topic: setting up and using your Pi Network wallet safely. Understanding the importance of your Pi wallet. Your Pi Network wallet is more than just a digital storage space. It's your gateway to managing, sending, and receiving Pi coins securely. As with any cryptocurrency wallet, keeping your funds safe should be your top priority. A secure wallet allows you to interact with the Pi Network ecosystem while protecting your assets from unauthorized access and potential scams. Step 1. Downloading the Pi Network app. To get started, ensure you have the official Pi Network app installed on your smartphone. It's available for both Android and iOS. Downloading the app from the official App Store minimizes the risk of phishing scams or downloading malicious software. Once downloaded, log in with your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Step 2. Accessing your wallet. Once you're in the app, navigating to your wallet is straightforward. Simply click on the wallet icon at the bottom of the screen. If you're new to the Pi Network, you may need to go through a quick setup process, including verifying your phone number and completing a KYC, Know Your Customer, process, which helps ensure the security and legitimacy of users within the network. Step 3. Setting up your wallet password. One of the most critical steps in securing your wallet is setting up a strong password. Choose a unique combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid easily guessable information, like birthdays or names. Your password should be at least 12 characters long to enhance security. Make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place, as you will need this to access your wallet. Step 4. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA. Security doesn't stop at a strong password. Enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of protection to your wallet. Most wallets, including the Pi Network wallet, offer 2FA through authentication apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. This means even if someone manages to get hold of your password, they will still need the second factor to access your funds. Step 5. Sending and receiving Pi coins. Now that your wallet is set up and secured, you can start sending and receiving Pi coins. To receive coins, share your wallet address or QR code with the sender. You can find your wallet address by tapping on the Receive button in your wallet section. To send Pi coins, click on the Send button, enter the recipient's wallet address or scan their QR code, and specify the amount you want to send. Always double-check the recipient's address before confirming the transaction to avoid costly mistakes. Step 6. Monitoring your transactions. Keeping track of your transactions is crucial for managing your Pi coins effectively. In the wallet section, you can view your transaction history. Make sure to regularly check this section to ensure all transactions are legitimate and authorized. If you notice any suspicious activity, change your password immediately and report it to the Pi Network support team. Step 7. Keeping your wallet safe. Safety doesn't just rely on the features offered by the wallet, it also depends on your habits. Here are some essential tips to keep your wallet secure. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Always use a secure internet connection when accessing your wallet. Public Wi-Fi can be a hotbed for hackers. Beware of phishing scams. Be cautious of unsolicited messages or emails claiming to be from Pi Network. Always verify the source before clicking on links or providing information. Back up your wallet. Regularly back up your wallet information and password. This will allow you to recover your wallet in case of device loss or failure. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with the latest news and updates from Pi Network. Join community forums and follow official channels for announcements related to security. Setting up and using your Pi Network wallet safely is crucial for enjoying the benefits of the Pi ecosystem. By following these steps and adopting good security practices, you can help ensure that your Pi coins are secure and accessible when you need them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. And remember, if you missed our previous video about what Pi is, make sure to watch it for a comprehensive understanding of this innovative cryptocurrency. Stay safe and happy mining.